Hi guys, welcome back. Today we look into another version of random function that is previously we have seen rand, which would give you a value anything between 0 to 1. But we have another function. You will ask me what will happen if I want to have more values like 0 to 100 or 0 to 1000 or probably 10 to 99. We can always have that. So for that, you have this function called rand between. So you have rand between, which is random numbers between. So what a random number between does is this function returns a random integer number between numbers you specify. Okay. So any number that I specify, it will give me a set of random numbers. Okay. So let me show you how it happens. So suppose I have this rand between and let me have the syntax as well. So syntax is random, rand between, rand between, and you have to provide the bottom number, that is the lowest number from where you want to start the range, and the top number where you want to end the range. Yeah. So bottom is the smallest integer rand between will return, and the largest integer rand between will return will be represented by top. So it has only two arguments. Okay. So suppose I have this 5 here, and suppose I have 10 as the top number. Yeah. And I'll say rand between, and I give the bottom number, which is the lowest number, which is 5, and the highest number, which is 10. And I close the bracket. It will give me any number which is between 5 and 10. Now, if I try to again run it, you'll find the number will change. Yeah, 7, 9, it is 9 again, 6. Yeah, suppose I have a bigger number, I have 99, and I use the same function. Yeah, it gives me a different number every time. And you see, every time this sheet is getting calculated, these numbers are also getting updated. Even the rand function is getting updated. See this? Now, if I do it the other way around, suppose I have this 200 and I have the top number, like the bottom number is higher than the top number. So if I put the top number as lower than the bottom number, then it will give me a num error because your top number cannot be less than the bottom number. So your top number has to be always higher than the bottom number. Yeah. You cannot use number names as well, whether you are using it in top or bottom. So it will give you a value error. Same thing if I do it for yeah, it will still give me a value error because I cannot use number names as the input parameter for the top or bottom function, top or bottom argument. Yeah. So rand between what it generate is any random number between specified numbers that you have in the top and the bottom numbers within the arguments of rand between. Yeah. Hope I was able to make the concept clear. Hope you're able to understand how this function could be used to generate random numbers. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Comment if you want me to cover any topics in this 365 days of Excel journey. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all this informative videos, notifications regularly when I post any videos. And also it will keep me motivated towards creating such free content. Thank you so much.